Hey everyone, Acer has introduced the AW620p, a new projector, to the Chinese market. It is intended to be an attractive choice for professionals and educators that need a strong and adaptable projector for well-lit areas. Even in well-lit spaces, the AW620p's all-glass lens produces colorful, crisp images with an astounding 5000 ANSI lumens of brightness. Without the need for manual adjustments, this technology ensures optimal image quality by automatically adjusting brightness and color saturation based on ambient light. With a contrast ratio of 20,000 to 1, the projector provides crisp details and deep blacks, able to project up to WXGA 192 by 1200 resolution, and natively support WXGA 1280 by 800 resolution. Color accuracy and stability are improved with the Color Boost 3D and ColorSafe 2 technologies, which offer a larger color spectrum and consistent color performance across presentations. Blue Light Shield diminishes blue light emissions, improving eye comfort during extended meetings and presentations. Features a 3.5mm micro connector for PC audio, 2 HDMI 1.4b connections, an analog RGB or component video input, and a composite video input. In addition, it has a DC out port that accepts USB Type-A connection, and may supply 5 volts and 1 ampere power to compatible devices. Furnished with a 3-watt speaker to provide basic audio demands, additional speakers can be connected via the audio output connectors that are available. Provides automatic ceiling mount correction and up to ± 40-degree correction for keystone, so no matter where it is installed, the image projection will always be straight and distortion-free. Small and lightweight, with dimensions of 313 by 240 by 113.7 mm and a weight of 2.8 kilograms, it is lightweight and convenient to install. Silent function, runs in eco mode at about 27 decibels to minimize noise during presentations. At a price of about $991, the Acer AW620p projector is currently being sold on JD.com. Its premium positioning in the market is a result of its price point, which also highlights its high-performance capabilities and sophisticated features. The AW620p is an appealing alternative for schools and professionals looking for a dependable, high-quality projector for well-lit spaces because of its remarkable brightness, superb color accuracy, and flexible connectivity options. This cutting-edge projector is now easier to obtain for individuals wishing to improve their presentation and projection experiences, thanks to its availability on JD.com. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this projector? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.